Hello my dear children, welcome to Rollipolli Mindful Art class. Today I'll be teaching you another Independence Day theme art using our sketch pens and doodling method. So very first, for the Ashoka Chakra, what we can do is you take your masking tape and place it in the center of the paper with the blue sketch pen. For Ashoka Chakra, you can draw a circle like this. So that's our Ashoka Chakra. Inside the Ashoka Chakra, we may start applying our designs, which is like this. Watch very carefully. I start with curvy lines like this, around 4 lines, 4 or maximum 5. Then below it, I apply horizontally, but again curvy. And next to it, if I have to come down in a line, I may come like this. 4 curvy lines standing, 4 curvy lines sleeping, 4 curvy lines standing, 4 curvy lines sleeping. Now here there's no compulsion on sticking to number 4. You can make it 5 also, but it should be in same direction and preferably similar distance between the lines for more uniform look. As you keep doing, you'll get the rhythm in your hand. 5 also is okay. One side line is done. Similar way I want to cover the entire circle. So if I have to go on the left hand side, the space was small, so I just stopped with 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So next to the sleeping lines or the horizontal lines comes the vertical. This exercise or this kind of doodling will also improve your concentration power as you are just focused into standing, sleeping in alternate order. So here the Ashoka Chakra is complete. Now I want to have the tricolor flag. So I put the blue aside and I pick up my orange color. So you can put a wavy line like this. So I am putting a wavy line coming like this for the flag. So up here I'll fill up with orange, and below that I will apply my green color. The center is white. For white area we won't be adding anything. So now pick the orange and complete the orange on the top the same way, standing, sleeping. So here we have completed our beautiful Independence Day flag there. You can also add something extra like birds flying there. So if you have to add birds, you can add birds like this. And inside the birds you can add some patterns, the stripes. That's it, and we are done. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Do try it out and let me know how you liked it. Bye bye for today. See you later. For more such videos, I would love it if you can subscribe and follow my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the interesting videos that I will be sharing soon. Bye bye.